Welcome to PlayOwnAi. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the future of multi-agent programming. This is the CrewAI debate system tutorial, where we build a fully autonomous AI debate team. We're not just using one LLM. We're harnessing the power of multiple specialized agents to conduct complex, logic-driven conversations. If you want to master advanced CrewAI workflows, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Quick overview. Inputs. Motion or our debate topic. Like AI call centers will handle 80% plus of customer service interactions within 5 years. We can change LLMs, agent types, and debate formats to fit any use case. Just run the code and watch the magic happen. Let's check outputs directory. There save our debate results with proposed and opposed arguments, winner, and more. By the way, let's start our code editor live VS Code or Kiro. Open the terminal and type mkdir CrewAI, cd CrewAI. Open browser and search CrewAI install. Click on the first link, CrewAI documentation. Follow the instructions to install CrewAI in system. Installation instructions. Copy and paste our terminal. curl lssf astral.shuv install.sh. Open terminal and paste the command and hit enter. Once the script is downloaded, UV tool install CrewAI. Check the installation tool is installed or not. UV tool list. If already installed, then upgrade the tool. UV tool install CrewAI. Upgrade. Let's start our debate project inside our CrewAI directory. CrewAI create crew debate. cd debate. UV add CrewAI. Google Geni. On terminal, run the following commands. CrewAI create crew debate. Enter the number of your choice or queue to quit. I choose 1. Again, enter the number of your choice or queue to quit. I choose 6. Then enter skip for the next prompts until you reach the end. Let's open our debate on CrewAI with the following script. .env file. API_key equals API_key_ here. Let's update our debate system inside src/debate/agents.yaml. First, open the file and scroll to the debater section. Here, we define the role, the goal, and the backstory for our AI debater, including the motion placeholder so the agent can dynamically adjust to any debate topic. We also set the LLM to OpenAI GPT-4o Mini for efficient reasoning. Next, move down to the judge section. This agent decides the winner of the debate based only on the arguments, not personal bias. Again, we include the motion placeholder and assign the same lightweight LLM. Once these changes are saved, your debate workflow becomes fully customizable, dynamic, and ready to run with any topic you choose. Inside config tasks, YAML file, we have 3 main tasks: propose, oppose, and decide. First, the propose section. This agent supports the motion. We describe the task clearly, define the expected output, and connect it to our debater agent. The result gets saved automatically to output/propose.md. Next, the oppose task. This is the opposite position, arguing against the motion. It uses the same debater agent, but the description and expected output guide it to produce a strong counterargument. Its output is stored in output/oppose.md. Finally, we configure the decide section. This task is handled by the judge agent. Its job is to review both arguments and determine which side is more convincing, purely based on the merit of the reasoning. The decision is then saved to output/decide.md. With these 3 sections complete, your debate system becomes fully automated. One agent argues for, one against, and the judge picks the winner. Let me quickly show you how this CrewAI debate system works. Update src/debate/crew.py. We start by defining a debate class and linking 2 config files, one for agents and one for tasks. Then, using the @agent decorator, we create 2 AI agents, a debater that argues for or against a motion, and a judge that evaluates both sides. Next, with the @task decorator, we set up 3 tasks: propose, oppose, and decide, each pulling its instructions from the YAML files. Finally, the @crew decorator combines everything into a single workflow that runs in sequence. And that's it. A fully automated AI debate pipeline in just a few lines of code. Now add debate title in main.py to run a debate. We're passing in a motion. AI call centers will handle over 80% of customer service interactions. With one command, the debate agents launch, process the argument, and return a full AI-generated debate result in real time. CD Debate, UV CrewAI, Google Gemini, CrewAI, Anthropic, Lightelm, CrewAI Run. It run using Python main.py, debate_title. AI call centers will handle over 80% of customer service interactions. Also create virtual environment and install dependencies. CrewAI Debate is a powerful framework that enables you to set up and run debates between AI agents with ease. By defining agents and tasks through decorators, you can create a structured debate workflow that automates the entire process. This system is ideal for exploring various topics and generating insightful discussions using AI technology. Final output will on output file in debate/output/decide.md as debate title. AI call centers will handle over 80% of customer service interactions. Decision. Judge's decision based on the arguments presented. After thoroughly evaluating the arguments presented for and against the motion that AI call centers will handle 80% plus of customer service interactions, it is clear that the arguments in favor are more convincing overall. In summary, while the arguments against the motion are valid in emphasizing the need for a human touch, they do not adequately counter the overwhelming advancements in AI technology or the market pressures driving the adoption of AI in customer service. Therefore, I conclude that the proponents of the motion present a more convincing case that AI call centers will indeed handle 80% plus of customer service interactions in the near future. Support line. Get assist. Stuck anywhere, or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. Just follow the link in the description. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel @PlayOwnAi. Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply and I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found even a bit of value, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next AI automation guide. Your feedback helps me create the most useful content possible. So, what's on your mind? Tell me what you're struggling with in comments. I might just build a full tutorial on it for you. We release new videos every week. Let's build smarter together with PlayOwnAi Playground. Our mission is simple and ambitious: to help millions of people adapt to the AI revolution with clarity and confidence.